Hello all, welcome to the Linehan Family Channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. To all the new subscribers, thank you so much. And leaving your comment and thumbs up, thank you so much. So we've come to a place in Kandolim. It's called the Coastal Crave, which is very close to KFC. It's a touristy place, definitely a touristy place, but they've got some Goan cuisine as well. So we thought we'd try something different. And someone recommended this place. Someone called Dominic D'Souza recommended the sausage pulao in Coastal Crave. That's also another reason I am here. So we're going to check out their food menu. And it's very close to KFC in Kandolim. So I'll first take you through the bar menu. It's a huge bar menu. So they've got their cocktails, their hot alcoholic beverages, shooters, beers, liqueurs, whiskey. David's already got his feni. He loves his local feni, so he's got his feni there. And for me, because today is hot and humid, I think I'm going to go with my old time, which is a breezer. I think I'm going to get myself a breezer. They've got Jamaican, cranberry, blueberry and watermelon. I think I'll go for a blueberry breezer. And that's their food menu. So in food, they've got their continental. I'm going to skip everything actually, maybe later if I feel like. I'm directly jumping on the Goan menu. I think for starters, we're going to get a beef roast. And there's something that caught my eye, which is not a part of the Goan menu. It's in the continental, and it was crispy mustard chicken. I think I'm going to get these two things for starters and then see how we go.
Yes, ma'am.
Could I please get a breezer?
So you have so many flavors. So
Yeah.
which flavor would like to
A
have?
blueberry breezer.
Blueberry, right?
And for starters,
Yes, ma'am.
could we please have crispy mustard chicken?
Crispy mustard chicken.
And from the Goan menu, can we please have the beef roast?
Beef roast.
Does it come with anything, with poi or anything?
Yes, it's up with one plate.
With one poi. Okay, that's it. Thank you. So today mainly I am going to focus only on the Goan cuisine. I've ordered the beef roast with the poi. I think next what I'm looking at, the pork sorpatel looks nice. Maybe I'll ask them whether they serve it with poi or sannas. I'm not sure. And they've got kafrial. They've got sausage pulao. Sausage pulao is definitely coming on my table for my main course. Thank you.
This is blueberry pizza.
Thank you.
Can I serve it into the glass?
Yes, please. How long you been working here?
This is my new place.
Yeah.
So it's been like almost 2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
Good. It's a nice place, huh?
Yeah. I'm enjoying my place.
You get to see so many people around. Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. So initially when we came here first, there was no parking. We did not know there was parking. So David parked right by KFC, which is bubblegum above where the kids go to play. It's like a play area. When we came here, we realized there's a parking area. So there's huge parking inside. It's a nice place, huh? Thank you.
You're welcome. Crispy mustard chicken. So beef roast served with poi.
Wow, that's good portion, huh? So that's our crispy mustard chicken that's arrived. It's got good portion, huh? That's nice, huge portion for 350 rupees. And the guy did offer to serve it. We said we'll do it on our own with some spicy sauce. Let me just try this now. Wait. Nice. Oh, that's really nice. Nice and crispy. Food is hot. I think they fried this with cornflakes. It's a very good starter. Can you hear the bike? This is on the main road, so you can hear bikes back and forth. So that's a good dish for me. It just had a little more spice to it, would be amazing. For me, for my palate, it's a little less spicy. And out of 5, I would give that a 4.5. It's a good dish though. Jesus, that's a huge portion, huh? Look at that. So for beef roast, that's a very big portion. And the presentation is amazing with one poi, which is crispy. I think they've toasted the poi. That looks nice. Let me just dig into this. I'm already drooling. good portion and good cut of beef. Huh? I don't know what beef they've used, but amazing cut of beef. It's not chewy, it's nice and tender. I cannot stop eating. For 550, I think for two, this is an amazing portion. It's so nice to eat beef after so long. For me, that's a full 5. So I'm gonna put my beef roast in the bread. I'm gonna put my beef roast in that poi, crispy poi, and take a huge bite. Beef roast. It's nice, huh? The beef roast really nice. I know they've put some sauce over there on that garlic. It was really. Are you filming all this, David? David, you can't do this. You can't do this. So far, the food has been amazing. Whatever's coming, the place is nice and clean. It has a beautiful vibe. They also do live music once the season hits. That's from October 1st. Not sure how long the season, when it's going to start actually. I'll ask Jerry, the owner. But they've got live music in the evening. The place is clean. It's got parking. Amazing food. So I think I'm going to settle for a chicken kafrial and a pork sausage. I'm still debating whether I want to get the sorpatel or no. But the food so far, whatever has arrived, it's been good. It's a nice place and clean. So could we please get chicken kafrial half?
Chicken kafrial half?
Yeah, there's an option of half or full. So we'll get half kafrial and pork sorpatel.
Pork sorpatel.
What is the sorpatel served with?
No, we have, it's served with poi.
Poi. Okay, can we get a pork sorpatel?
Pork sorpatel, yes.
And Dominic, this is for you since you recommended this place. I'm getting sausage pulao, chorizo pulao, just cause you recommended. So one chorizo pulao.
One chorizo pulao, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else, Mama?
No, that's enough. Can I get a repeat?
Sure.
Thank you, please.
You're welcome.
My God, I'm getting a repeat. Today I don't have to pick the girls. Huh? Oh, can we get a repeat for David as well? Shakila's picking the girls today.
So what's in it?
There is vodka, Baileys and Kalwa.
Vodka, Baileys and Kalwa.
Yes, mango plus there, and there is some vanilla ice cream.
Some vanilla ice cream.
Mango crush, you said?
Mango plus, it's a mango pure.
Mango puree.
Mango puree.
Okay.
Oh
What
my
is
God.
it built with? Like how did you get it to?
The strawberry foam on the
Okay,
top.
okay.
Oh my God, that looks amazing. Thank you.
Cheers.
So they got me something to try over here. Is got vodka, Baileys, and what else?
Kalua.
Kalwa, vodka, and
There's
Baileys.
a mango puree.
Mango
And
puree.
it's topped with strawberry foam.
Strawberry. I'm just gonna take a sip. Oh my God, it's really nice. Yeah, something very different that I've tasted. I've never tasted that. And I think they,
dessert cocktail.
yeah, dessert cocktail. Is that coffee?
Yeah, there's coffee shavings.
Coffee shaving. That's amazing, huh? So hi, that's Valentine. That's our friend from Goa, and he takes care of the space. I'll put it on to him. Let him say some words here.
I was here initially when they opened. I helped start this place up. It belongs to two friends of mine. Now they seem to be doing a really good job with the place, so I don't really, they don't need my assistance.
No, but you're still here. You're helping us. Thank you.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's been a good afternoon with Valentine, and there he got me a drink. So thank
Cheers.
you. My God, that's lots of food, huh, David?
Incoming.
Jesus. For all the viewers who said that we do not try pork, beef, we try the usual rava fry, this is for you guys. There.
Chicken
So
kafrial.
we've got chicken kafrial,
Served with a poi.
poi, and then we've got
Pork sorpatel.
pork sarpatel,
Your favorite chorizo pulao.
chorizo pulao
And
to
it's
go
served
with
raita.
raita. My God, that's amazing.
Enjoy your meal.
That's like Christmas on the table.
Exactly.
I think there's more food than what I would have at my house for Christmas. So that's Jerry, who owns this lovely place called Coastal Crave. And I've ordered the sorpatel, but let him talk about it.
So the sorpatel has been prepared by my mum personally, and it's a best seller in the restaurant as of now.
Thank you so much, Jerry. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try it now and see. My God, it's piping hot, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask Jerry a few questions. Jerry, how long is this place open?
We have opened this place in Feb of 2023.
23. So you open all days?
Yeah, we open throughout the year.
Throughout the year? So
Throughout
just
the
not...
year.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
open throughout the year?
Yeah.
And do you do live music and stuff?
Yes, we do. We are going to start it from October onwards.
Okay.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday we'll be having live music.
I'm definitely bringing my girls. My girls love dancing. So they'll be
do
here.
come.
When you see a 10-year and a 4-year-old dancing, they'll be mine.
Done.
Yeah? Thank you so much. We're going to taste your food now.
Yes,
Thank you
definitely.
very much. So I'm going to first taste the sorpatel along with the poi. And this is from Jerry's mum. She prepares the sorpatel. Good chunk of sorpatel. That's really good sorpatel. That's like proper home cooked, your mom's hand sorpatel. My granny used to make sorpatel like that. It's really, really nice. I'm not going to rate this dish. This is not fair because it's a mom home cooked food. You know, let it just be the way it is. It's really nice. I think it has more emotions than rating this particular dish. I'm going to take another bite. With every bite, it just gets better and better, especially with the poi. It's really nice. So the sorpatel is priced at 500 and it's got huge portions. These guys are very generous with their portions. That's nice sorpatel. And now let's talk about the kafrial. That's your chicken kafrial and that's half. Like I said, these guys are very generous with their portion. I think that's why people like coming here. So that's for half. That's priced at 400 rupees with big salad over here and some nice pieces over here with some nice gravy. I'm going to dig in. That is an amazing kafrial. Really, that is really, really nice. And for 400, half, and for 700, full. Thank God we didn't get the full. Half itself was enough for us. Good portion, good flavor. Out of 5, 5.5 out of 5. That's really good. So for the non-Goans who do not know what the kafrial is, and if you're coming to this restaurant, please come and try this dish. So it's got your coriander, chili, peppercorns, turmeric, and I think cinnamon stick. Yeah, I make this at home, but everyone has a different way of making. But that's really, the meat is tender and it's got full of, I'm going to get a big scoop again. So it's sorted with onion and it's really flavorful. Huh? Best kafrial I've ever tasted. I really, really mean it. Really nice. So that's your sausage pulao and that's again priced at 400 rupees. It's got a big bowl of sausage pulao. So I'm sure 2 of you can eat this aram se. And they've been generous with, look at that. And they've given it with raita for people who cannot handle the spice. Let me just taste this. I'm going to get a small little spoon. That's a huge spoon. Taking another bite. That's good quality pork sausage as well. I'm going to ask Jerry later where he gets his pork sausages from. I absolutely love pork sausages. The rice is amazing. It's proper, it's got good flavor, so it's got proper basmati rice. It's really, really good food. For 400 rupees, I don't think you can ask for more with this big portion for the 2 of you. It's good. It's not that great. So for me, it's a 4.5. So Keith's here, and Keith is the one who manages this restaurant. He's got us some surprise. So can you tell us what it is, Keith?
This is a Susegado beer which is known as wheat. So it has a little mangoish dish to it.
Okay.
This is the English ale.
What's this?
English ale. So these are one of the fastest growing beers all over Goa right now.
Okay.
So I just got it on board at our restaurant. So making sure that it goes well fast.
Oh, nice. So they've got something for David and me to try. So this is their wheat. Keith, so this is your
Wheat beer, tropical wheat.
tropical wheat beer. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Very different to your, so it's a cab beer. That's very nice. And this, Keith?
This is the English ale.
English ale. more malt, yeah. Thank you, thank you. That's nice, but if I had a choice, I like this more. Hi, so what is this?
This is a new one. We are gonna try this, and you just give us the name.
I give you the name.
Yeah.
Jesus.
There is chocolate liqueur, coffee liqueur, and Baileys in it, and it is blended with chocolate syrup. Yes.
Okay, let me give it a try and then maybe I'll...
Yes, yeah,
if I
sure.
come up with a name now, or I can ask my viewers to give a name for
Yeah,
this.
yeah, sure.
I can tell them to leave it in the comment and give a name. So it's got Baileys, chocolate,
chocolate liqueur, and coffee liqueur.
coffee liqueur. Thank you so much. So they're introducing some new cocktails for their menu just before the season hits. And they've been kind enough to give me a second cocktail to try. Let me try this and maybe you all can leave a name in the comment for me. Cheers. It's nice. Let me get another sip. Jesus, that's amazing. For me, if I had to choose between the two, I like this one more. So just before we finish our lunch and all, that's a nice sweet cocktail to end with. I don't know what to call it. Maybe I'll think of it. But if you have something, let us know. Cheers. So we just finished with our lunch. We've packed the things that we couldn't eat. And I'm going to the dessert menu. There's no Serradura on this menu, which is good. A break from my Serradura. I think I've eaten Serradura everywhere. There's something that's caught my eye is the chocolate trifle. And it says must try. That's what I'm getting to try. Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
So we just done with our lunch. Just to end our beautiful lunch, can we please get the chocolate trifle?
Chocolate trifle.
Yes. Thank you. Murad, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So I moved from our table to come to the bar to have my dessert. So I can see them plating it. This dessert is again a unique dessert which is made by Anna, who's Jerry's wife. Her sister makes this dessert, so she's just trying to plate it up for us and then bring it over here. So that's my dessert arrived. The presentation is amazing. I love that cherry on top. I'm going to dig in now. Jesus. That's good quality chocolate used, huh? It's amazing. That's priced at $3.95. It's something very unique. I've never tasted that. What a lovely, lovely dish to taste. So the dessert, I've eaten a big bite and just David had a bite over there. So it's got your usual chocolate, milk chocolate. It's got white chocolate and it's got a dark chocolate with crackers in it, layered with crackers. It's such a lovely dessert. I thought I would take it home for the girls, but I think I'll end up eating. Maybe I'll pack another one for them. So if you are in Candolim and just walking past, at least come have the dessert. Definitely a must try. Cheers. Hi, so we've got lovely Anna here who's going to talk about her dessert itself.
So this is the chocolate trifle and it's made by my sister, and actually she hand pressed the recipe to me. So right now my husband and I, we make it together.
It's made with so much of love. It's amazing. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We've had an amazing experience at this place called Coastal Crave. It's in Candolim. You cannot miss it. It's on the main road with ample parking. And the host over here was really nice, Anna and Jerry. And Val also joined our video, which was really nice. But it's got an amazing atmosphere. So if you are in the area and you want to have a lovely multi-cuisine, please come here. They've got Goan, they've got everything that you can think of under one roof. So our bill is here, and for all that we ate, and they were kind enough to give us a 20% off. So thank you, Jerry and Anna, for the 20% off. Plus the 2 cocktails, which is still not on the menu. They're still looking for names. So please write a comment if you know what you would like to name it, and I'll pass it on to the owners. And the bill for all that amazing food we had with that beautiful dessert is $28.28. So you cannot beat this, and portion size was amazing. So if you are in Candolim, you want to come, whether you're a tourist or a local Goan, and if you want to come try something different, please come here. I truly recommend the place. It's amazing. And thank you very much for supporting our channel, the Linehan family. Leave a comment, put a like, and share it with your family and friends.